Hi there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can use the AWS PartyRock. So in this, everyone can learn how to build the AI apps. So it is very easy to use and what are the key features out of it and how to start creating an app and what are the different kind of widgets it is having and how to publish your apps and how it is utilizing the powerful AWS Bedrock behind the scenes, as well as I will show you the new feature that is being added to it, that is document widget, like how you can upload a document, a PDF or a text file with some information inside it. So it will create like a kind of image or it'll translate whatever you want to do, you can do with that. So before proceeding to the new feature, I would like to just share with you a rough idea about the PartyRock and how we can utilize it. So I will just go to the PartyRock website. It is free. You can utilize it for free and you can build some apps. So I will just go to the PartyRock console and I will show you. So you can just go to the partyrock.aws and you can just you need to create an account and then you can, if you're already having an AWS account, you can just utilize that account. And you have to, if you want to go into the guide, you can just go into the guide to get a basic information about it. Like it is a space where you can build your AI generated apps in a playground powered by Amazon Bedrock. So it is like a fun way to generate the AI based apps. And how does it works? So basically it's the Bedrock that turn your ideas into various apps. So we create a apps and the backstage is basically like we are using the Bedrock in order to give you the answers to your queries. So there are a few UI elements are there. That is, we call it as widgets. It can be a user input, it can be a prompt, it can be in the form of image generation and all. So I'll show you how we can have it, those things. And we can even create an app. We can start with a prompt, like we can put some questions and all, it will give you the answers. Or we can remix an app, like if you're having some app already existing, PartyRock user or sample apps, you can remix those. And on the top of it, you can create your own PartyRock app. Or we can altogether start with an empty app. So these are the few things. So, so it is just showing you some few apps and all, introduction and all. And building an app over here, just basic about it. So most important thing, that is a widget that we have, that is a UI element that will be combining at the different places in order to take input from the user or provide you the output, allow users to interact with the app. So these widgets are very important. So recently they have added a document widget that is very important in order to take the input from the user in the form of a document. So we have three categories or three different types of widgets are there. That one is user input, document select, and the static text that we have. And we have this few AI powered widgets also there. I'll show you just I'll quickly. So these are the few sample examples are given over here. So you can altogether start with click on the generate app and you can just define over here, describe what you would like to create. Let's say quiz, quiz, AWS quiz or something like that. Let's say AWS quiz I want to create, then generate. So it will just give you some example prompts and all, social media prompt generator. Anyhow, you can utilize this later on also. You can also have some grammar corrector, task manager assistance and all. So it will take some time to generate. Okay, in the meantime, it is creating. So I'll just show you what are the apps. I was just going around it. So you can see over here, we can have interactive learning assistant, and we can have some, let's say the travel buddy over here. So you can see these are the widgets are being added in order to take the input from the user. If you click on this, show the configuration, it will show you widget title. It is, you need to define the title in order to utilize in another, um, in order to utilize it another input widget. So placeholder, origin city, and if you default value, if you want to define, you can define the default value also. If you see, if I remove this, it is telling you to enter the origin city. So if you want to add some more, you can just go to the resume edit over here, and you can see it is telling you to add widget. So once you click add widget, what kind of you want user input. So this will be what will be the placeholder title and all, if you just want a static text that you want to show, and if you want a document upload. So this is the feature I was telling about this particular thing. So let's say, so on the basis of that, you can generate some text, you can generate some image, you can have a chatbot. So let's see over here. So this is our AWS quiz over here that is being created. Enter username. Let's say if I put it over here, just Paul. So you can click play over here. So here is the personalized welcome to the quiz and all. So this is how it will ask you the quiz. So you can see the enter your answer. What is the does it use for running code without provisioning servers? Let's try Lambda and press enter. Click to play to run. So we can have like automated, like based upon the input, we can have your answers being created automatically. So if you have something like by default, there is a chatbot over here. So if you have any questions over here, you can just ask about, let's say, if you want to ask about the Amazon queue. So it's quite handy. So we can click over here. It will give you the answer. So it is generating the answer. Fill the question one. I think I interfered in between. Let it generate one answer. So this is the chatbot. Okay, so you can see it is generating now. So you can see, please go ahead with the quiz. After the quiz, I will do my, okay, it's telling you to answer the quiz. So I already answered over here. So it's generating still. I think my some network issues are there. It's taking some more time. Okay, hosting static websites. Oh, it has asked 2, 3 questions over here. So let's see. S3. Okay. I will see that, okay, the correct answer is Amazon S3. So this is how you will be getting your answers generated. You can see. So your answer is not quite correct. So I did write Amazon S3. So here also you can see Lambda. I will provide a simple function if answer is correct or not and returns appropriate feedback. So this is how you can have it. And plus you can also click here and you can just go ahead with Amazon Q. And you can see it is generating your output over here. Unfortunately, okay, it is not having any answers for this because it's being recently launched service. So you can just write S3 bucket. Let's see what is the answer being generated for this. Okay, I got it. So here is the storage service that is being provided by AWS. So So you can see this is all the answers are being generated to your questions that you've been asked to this chatbot. So you can have all the details. Now let's say this is, let's say I want to, uh, let's say in this existing one, the recently added feature over here, let's say I want to edit this one and I want to add a widget over here. That widget that I want to add over here, it's a document, let's say, and let it be it called as, let's say, DD, better to name it properly. So this is used to upload a document. Another widget that I'm going to add over here, that is image generation. So here, an image of, so I will just put it over here. I will call whatever I'm uploading in that. So you need to choose like this. You can image out. So you can see the model, you can choose the models also. I'm just using this stable diffusion. That's it. Now, so we will just go to this option over here. Let's upload over here some document. I will just go to my S3. Here I have certain document. Okay, so it is having cat and dog text written over here. So I just click on the play. So I think something is wrong with this. We need to change our, this is something else it has created. Let me check over here what was there in the setting over here. Okay, here, okay, it is the username. That is my name. So instead of that, it should be DD @DD. That is our document. And I think I forgot to save it. Yes, so I will just save it. Now, so it understood with the name just Paul, so it is somebody, a sick guy. So I will just click over here. Okay, that's all. Let me run it again. I need to scroll it down. Okay, let's play with this. So you can see it is going to generate. So you can see over here, it has created, it's not a cat and a dog, it seems like, but still, it's fine. So like this, you can have something, some documents you can upload and you can have your image generation. So you can see these options over here. Even you can have your chatbot or text generation based upon what are the documents are being added, like some titles are there, some headings are there, you want to get some information and all, you can get it done. Now, another thing, let's go back to my existing one over here. This is the travel buddy over here. So you can see I have added a few couple of things over here. So if you want to see the output over here, we can just run this one and we can see the responses that are being generated. So you can see it's giving you famous dishes and restaurants, best places for shopping. So this is how it is generating the whole content based upon this origin and destination and the holiday type. So you can also fill the dates. It will give you the even the uh, it will give you the air ticket fare prices and all the details it is fetching and it is providing. You can see famous dishes and restaurants over here. What is famous in which restaurant and what is the name of that restaurant along with the location. So here, best places for shopping. These are the shopping places. Even you can ask with the chatbot over here, and even you can upload any document and you can get the information. So you can see it is still generating with the activities. Now let's say if I put it over here, let's say MMDDYY, let's say, so month is first 01 slash, let's say next month 06 slash 22 slash 2024 to 06 slash 28 slash 2024. So let's see. something is there. So you can see here the flight options, airlines, what is the airline number, departure, arrival date, and how much it will cost me approximately in rupees. So these information is being provided. So how much duration, all the things are there. So this is how you can create something very interesting out of it. You can also create your like a DevOps score calculator, quiz. You can have something interactive learning assistant. You can have something, um, any kind of information related to the vaccination. You can have your shopping assistant and all. You can have your daily bills and all. You can have some movie recommendations, good eats, wine pairing, anything. So it is like uh, doing some activity along with in a in an interesting way. Okay, so once you have finished creating the app, you can just click on this and make it public, and you can publish your app, and you can. It's similar, like you can keep on making editing the changes and all. Once you finish editing and all, you can publish, and it can go live, make it public, and you can view it. You can see. So now you can share it, and you can also create a copy, and you can remix with somebody else. So this is the public. Make private also, you can make it. You can also create a snapshots, in order to like move to and fro between different scenarios. You can move it. So it's quite interesting. Do give it a try, and also try with this the latest feature that they have provided, that is the document widget that they have provided. So it is supporting PDF, MD, TXT, doc, HTML, and CSV, but there is a limit of this much 12000 characters. And the use cases will be like you have a huge document and you want to summarize those documents. You can extract some action elements, or you can facilitate some charts about the document content, or we can also, that as I showed you, we can create an image based upon the documents. We can use in the blogs and all, we can utilize it. So do give a try to this AWS PartyRock, and do let me know if you have any doubts or if you have any issues. So I will try to solve it. So I hope you like my video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.